have visual. Arsenal Bird confirmed.
Here they come.
A swarm of UAVs is launching from the Arsenal Bird. Keep them away from Stonehenge.
Missile. Missile.
Close to the target, fewer the variables. How long till we can fire?
Firing in 60!
Hear that? Keep us safe till then.
Fire control system inspection complete. Radar error correction is good to go.
Missile.
Who's over in the survey vehicle? Releasing safety! Cooling system active.
Confirm voltage.
Voltage stable. 30 seconds!
We have confirmation. Live projectile is loaded.
Power level is at 100%.
Missile.
15 seconds!
Frame control.
All green! Closes a bit.
Initiate final countdown.
Understood. Commencing final countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2... Stop the countdown. We've lost the target.
Starting to shut down?
Gone? What? The stupid thing is flying in the open.
The survey data isn't updating. No response from our spotter.
Survey vehicle down.
Those vehicles were Stonehenge's eyes. Without those, I'm sorry.
Don't give up yet, Major. We still have sensors. Our eyes. The oldest sensors in the book. What are you scheming?
They're too unreliable. But
Not bad.
Missile.
that's something.
Missile.
Impossible. Rerouting circuit! We can't do any more. Half the battery containers are out. We can't carry out our mission.
Missile.
Come on, damn it!
Missile. Missile.
Attention, all personnel! We have a change in the mission. We will now be using direct fire to shoot down the Arsenal Bird. Listen, attack the central propellers. If you can destroy them, the Arsenal Bird will slow down.
Strider 1, Cyclops 1. Pair up and attack that propeller. Everyone else, defend Stonehenge from the UAVs. Wilco, Jaeger, you take the lead. It's readying its APS.
I'm going. The propellers are too much for Trigger alone.
Oh, you damn glory hound. Do your friggin' job!
Count, we need someone who can take down those UAVs. It's up to you.
Trigger, do not foobar this.
Unbelievable. Stonehenge came with honest-to-goodness range tables? Or was that curious?
Guess they knew what they were doing.
This whole operation is crazy. Well, only a total madman could bring down the Arsenal Bird. Cooling system active.
Give us the UTM coordinates under the Arsenal Bird and we'll calculate the range. And I need you to be exact. Cyclops 3 missile incoming. Look out!
I've been hit. You have to eject.
Forecaster, send a request for rescue. Conditions are critical. Expect some injuries. 60 seconds remain.
Give me a second. It's been a while since I've used something this archaic. Does the angle on this table account for wind and Coriolis force?
Missile.
We can see the ocean flag from here. Not much wind. The rest is just instinct.
Missile.
All right, that takes care of the propellers. Arsenal Bird is slowing down. I knew my faith was well placed, Trigger. Cyclops 4 has been hit. Are you all right?
I'm fine. We can't lose any more allies.
Knock that off. Push yourself too hard and you're dead. Get back to base.
Missile.
Wilco, over.
Arsenal Bird propeller stalled.
Missile.
Power level is at 80%.
Missile.
Confirm voltage.
Voltage stable.
Power level is at 100%.
We've done our part. Stonehenge, shoot!
Understood. Begin final countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Adjusting angle.
3,